Hey guys, so today we have a quick one. Welcome to the channel. It's who are behind the camera. I'm just gonna go straight into the settings of adaptive cruise control on the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. So you go into vehicle settings, of course, auxiliary settings, and when you get there, you will then see like advanced driving stuff, and then you go down, you see ACC. When you get in that screen, you will be presented with the distance that you need to keep between you and the car in front of you. Then you will see it has like maximum, standard, minimum, which is the distance that you do. I just leave it at standard, where you probably just have like what, 40-50 meters between you and the car in front of you. And another thing you need to check is the pre-collision warning, so that it's not too sensitive to a point that it's just going to do alarms when you are just in, like, behind the car. And on the steering settings, it doesn't have like what is this, lane keeping assist and lane, like in center lane assist and whatever. You're just going to see like straight line like this. And then when you're looking at the screen itself, what you're going to see is that when there's a car in front of you, it's going to show like an additional car on this particular screen in the instrument cluster here. Otherwise, let's now look at the steering wheel settings. When you're looking at the steering wheel itself, on the right, funny enough, it's controlling the infotainment screen, the main infotainment screen. On the left, that's where you're going to be controlling the driver things, like cruise control, the instrument cluster, and so on. So when you're looking at this, to set it up, they made it so easy. You just, like, what is this? Is this a knob or what? You take it up to the cruise control, and then you press that cruise control button thing. Then that's when then it's going to tell you that, okay, you know what, ACC is on. Once it's on, basically you just need to set it like that, and then you keep your hands on the steering wheel. Like I said, it doesn't have lane keeping assist, so you need to be very careful that you don't leave the steering wheel and think it's going to drive itself. If you want to see a car that has lane center keeping, lane keeping assist, I did a video on the P series. It has all those things. You can go check it out, how it works, where you can just leave the steering wheel and you don't even have to do much until then it rings that, okay, you know what, you really need to be on the steering wheel now. But now on the adaptive cruise control like this, it's normal until it's not normal. When there's a car in front of you, it's going to now adjust the speed according to the car that is in front of you. It's an obstacle. Whatever is in front of the car is an obstacle. If it's too slow, it's going to adjust to that particular speed. You'll see now we have this Renault Kwid in front of us. It's already highlighting green line on the instrument cluster to show that it's now active, and then it's keeping the distance that we said before, like whatever distance between you and the car in front of you, adjusting the speed as it does as well. When it slows down, it will slow down. But funny enough, with this one, it's like it's panicking a bit when it's slowing down. It's doing these hazard things, and it's making me panic a bit. But I still don't have my feet like on the pedals to show you that it's actually just taking the speed down and so on. So you see, like now, it's doing the hazard thing. I think it's warning someone in the back that I'm stopping, because it's doing it on its own. It's not necessarily being controlled. And then when the car is leaving, then it will just accelerate again without any problem whatsoever. I think this tech is scary if you're not used to it, but it works in here. I can't even complain. I've tested it in some cars. I've done it in Haval already. I've done it right here in the Chery, and I'm finding that it's working well. Of course, you can't really rely on it forever, but you need to just be sure that you know your story and you don't find yourself in trouble with the car in front of you. So that's basically how the cruise control works. I hope this information will help you. So with that said, thank you very much. Till next time. Oh wait, I know that I owe you a video on the Tiggo 7 Pro. I'm still a little bit tied up right now. I'll find time though, and then I'll bring it to you. You know I will do that, but please be patient with me. It's quite hectic right now actually, but I'll get it. So thank you very much for being here with me. Till next time, I am out.